Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Art Gallery. In today's video, you will find out how to do easy wall hanging using felt sheet. But before we start, some formalities. Please do follow me on my social media handles for regular updates. Also, if you are new to the channel, then hit the red subscribe button and that bell ting 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 so that you stay notified whenever I post new videos. So let's begin. Gather all the materials that are needed for this. Measure 8 cm radius and mark a circle that is your outer circle. For inner circle, measure 5 cm radius and draw another circle. This will be your inner circle. Do the same on the card sheet and cut these. Glue these as you see here. Take jute thread and glue it to the cardboard as you see here. Go on doing this in the circular manner till you reach the end of the cardboard. Once you reach the end of the cardboard, cut jute thread and secure the end. Draw some balloons, flowers, leaves, tree branch, birds and cut these. Trace these objects onto the felt sheet and cut the same. Here are all the objects that I need to make the frame for wall hanging. Once all the objects are ready, then it's time to assemble them. Glue the objects as you see here. Finally, here is my cute little lovebirds sitting on the tree branch and having some private lovely time together. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.